How to log into American Pacific Mortgage account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in American Pacific Mortgage login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Just open it. You will be directed to the login page. Now, from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, type in the username, then type in the password. If you want to save a login info, check in for this option. Remember my username, then agree with the terms and conditions. In the case you have forgotten the username or the password, click on these options to recover it. After you fill this, click on login. With that, you'll be logged into your account. If you haven't created your account yet, click on the option of register your account and go through the account creation process. So that's the wrap for this video. This is how you can easily log into American Pacific Mortgage account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.